What's up? We are back with the toggle switch for the RGB LED. Here's my code, basically just saying that if the ball in the toggle switch is at the bottom of like the cylinder, it'll complete the circuit and it'll switch colors from violet to orange to aquamarine. Here's just basically the kind of if conditional statement. Here's my colors for the codes, and then here's my setup, currently in the violet mode. So if we switch it, aquamarine, orange, back to violet. Having a little bit of issue with sometimes it'll get stuck in like the debounce won't allow it to switch colors very fluidly, but other than that, works good, and I'll see you next time.